I'm here at XPO, and I've got a package to pick up, a pallet, because the driver actually couldn't get it delivered. He wasn't too happy, the farmer wasn't too happy that his package wasn't delivered. So I told him we're gonna get it to him by tomorrow morning, and I'll take responsibility. It's not his fault that we've had delays, and it's not the trucker's fault either. They've been slammed with a lot of stuff, I guess, down south. They haven't been able to get the capacity up because of the problems down south with the weather. Definitely need one of these. All right, we got to get out of here. That's how it's supposed to be. Well, it's only 1,000 pounds, so this half ton with LT tires should handle it. I have not seen a single car in about 20 miles. Everyone's sleeping. It's only 11:34 p.m.
Take the next right onto 100th Avenue Southeast.
Get my gloves on. Looks like I got a skid steer here that they left out so I can unload, which is awesome. Beats unloading 1,000 pounds by hand. Paper's still on it. I don't think I lost anything. All right, close my tailgate and get out of here. That was easy. I'm gonna get out of here now, and I got 2 hours back to Fargo, and then I'll be up early enough to get to work.